All right, so today we've got the SNPO 8.5-inch table saw. Super excited about it. It's got an integrated dust collection system. We'll show you how that works here in just a second, but let's go ahead and get it all put together and let's get cutting. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and cut this sheet of wood here. We've got a couple of projects we're working on around the house. I have my fence set to the right depth, or for the right width for the piece that I'm gonna be cutting out. I have the expandable workspace all the way out so that it will hold my material just like that. I've got eye protection, I've got hearing protection, we've got our vacuum hose hooked up for the dust collection, and we are ready to go. So let's go ahead and get this first cut done. We're excited to continue to use this in our projects around the house.